Are you looking for a dynamic, powerful speaker who will energize, educate, and entertain your audience? Are you looking for a trainer to unleash the excellence hidden inside your teams? Are you looking for a coach who will help you become a powerfully persuasive speaker? If so, you're in the right place. Keep watching. Meet Akash. Who is Akash, and why should you book him as a speaker for your next event? Akash Karia is an award-winning speaker and coach who has trained thousands of people worldwide, from bankers in Hong Kong to yoga teachers in Thailand to senior executives in Dubai. He is the #1 best-selling author of 5 books. Yep, 5 books and counting. His big, hairy, audacious goal is to publish 100 books and share his message with millions. But we're going off track. So, are his books any good? You bet. Readers have sung high praises for his books, describing them as outstanding, valuable, and brilliant. And those are the same words your event attendees will be using if you book Akash to speak at your next event. There's a reason why Akash is consistently one of the highest-rated speakers at conferences. Whether you want to learn presentation skills, public speaking, or simply uncover excellence hidden inside of you or your teams, Akash is the coach to go to. So you're probably wondering, what separates Akash from other speakers? Isn't he the same as any other speaker? When you hire Akash, you won't just be hiring a speaker. That's right, you won't be hiring a speaker. You'll be hiring an expert who just so happens to be ranked one of the best speakers in Asia Pacific. Not only has Akash authored 5 best-selling books, he's also been called upon to share his expertise on communication, motivation, and persuasion in numerous magazines and on TV shows across Africa and Asia Pacific. Oh, and by the way, if you're looking to hire Akash to train your team to become more powerful and engaging presenters, you should know that he wasn't always a great speaker. In fact, one of the first times he got up on stage, he was so bad that he literally got booed off the stage. But of course, he'll tell you about that when you meet him. So let's come back to the question. What makes Akash's training different from that of other motivational speakers? It's the fact that his training is based on hundreds of hours of intensive scientific research. It's based on his experience coaching thousands of business leaders and organizations. And it's based on principles and techniques that are proven to work. What else? Well, let me ask you a question. Don't you just hate it when speakers motivate you and you go away thinking, wow, that was a great speech. But then a couple of days later, you realize that you didn't actually learn anything. Not with Akash. His training is practical, and the tools he teaches are delivered in a simple step-by-step format that you can implement immediately. As a result, Akash's coaching is in high demand. He is usually booked 3 months in advance, so if you want to book him for a keynote, seminar, or workshop, please contact him now. Book Akash now and get ready for a dynamic, powerful event that will have your audience laughing and learning.